Hi guys, let me show you how to use the lasso tool. There are three lasso tools. So let's start with the magnetic lasso. Let's say I want to cut this ring out. So click on the edge, move the mouse around, let the selection do its thing until you go back to the starting point. Click, selection has been done. Now we want to remove this part, so we will use this one. It's called subtract. Subtract is to remove it, so we click here, we make a selection around this so that anything inside will be removed. Selection has been done. Refine edge. As you can see here, the ring is alone, and that is the magnetic lasso. So the other ones are the lasso. For the lasso, let's do it on this S right here. You click where you want to start and you keep it clicked and move. It's like a pencil. Move around the object. Also, if you're doing photo editing but don't want to use expensive software, I made a simple photo editing help page, and the link for it is in the description and the first comment. Now you go back to the where you started. Selection has been done. Here it is. And the last one is the polygonal lasso. This is for straight lines. Sorry. Just give me a second. Okay. So let's test it on this triangle here. Just click once at the beginning, once on this corner and this corner, and back to the start. And that's it. It's very simple and very easy. And those are the three lasso tools. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.